Okay, these are known as wall clocks. These are known as bird वाली होती है ना. These are known as pendulum. These are known as cuckoo clocks. Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. So they make your life go cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. And this one will make your life ring, 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 ringa, ringa roses. Okay, not a bed of roses. Okay, so it is very, very not advisable. I am talking very, very slowly because I don't want to advise wrongly in a showroom. So please do not use them. Please be careful in your life. If you have them, do not be stingy. Remove them and buy a better wall clock. You can get in touch with me, Amarjit Singh Narula. Thank you very much. God bless you.